Class 4. In this video we are going to discuss about the question answers of the chapter 8 infant rescue. So here we have all the questions. First of all, we have given some difficult word. They are restless, feeling uneasy. जब हम बहुत कमज़ोर फील करते हैं ना, उसको restless कहते हैं. uneasy, तबीयत ठीक नहीं होती है. Water hole, a natural hole where rain water collects. Infant, it's a small baby. ठीक है, शिशु को, छोटे बच्चे को, बिल्कुल छोटे बच्चे को हम इन्फेंट कहते हैं. सो चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन टू कंप्लीट दी सेंटेंसेस. द फार्मर वॉज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल मैन. Second one, the forest guard found the elephant near the banks of the river. They found the cow elephant, na? Okay. Third one, the men were alerted by the cry of the baby elephant. Fourth, the calf could not walk because it was weak and frightened. So it was small, na? It's just an infant. Next, the forest officials felt that the cow elephant trumpet to thank the men for rescuing her baby. Now we just move to the question answers. Here we have answer these questions. Why did the farmer contact the forest department? And here we have the answers. Okay. Why did the farmer contact the forest department? The farmer contacted because here we have did in the question, ना? क्वेश्चन में जब डिड होता है तो हम वर्ब को सेकेंड फॉर्म में कर देते हैं. वर्ब क्या है यहाँ पे? कॉन्टैक्ट. एक्शन वर्ड्स आर वर्ब्स. सो कॉन्टैक्ट सेकेंड फॉर्म हो गई कॉन्टैक्टेड, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में डिड था इसलिए. द फार्मर कॉन्टैक्टेड द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट बिकॉज ही सॉ अ काउ एलिफेंट blocking the road. Got it? So she seemed nervous and was getting more and more restless. Now here she refers to the cow elephant. Okay, now moving to the next question. Children, you can easily do that. Next question we have, where did the forest official find the calf? Calf is for refer to the infant, the baby elephant. The forest officials found the calf stuck in a sandy hole. He was weak and tired of hunger. Okay, so moving to the next question, how did the forest officials feed the calf immediately? Okay, the answer we have, the forest officials quickly made arrangements to feed the baby with glucose and coconut water. They also managed to lift the calf out of the sandy pit. How would we pronounce it? Calf. Calf. Yeah, L is silent over here. Next, fourth question we have, what was Sharat Kumar's act of kindness? Sharat Kumar was the forest official, forest officer who helped out the baby elephant to reunite with his mother. So the elephant calf was too frightened and weak to walk. बहुत कमज़ोर हो गया था वो, अपने आप को वीक फील कर रहा था because he was so small, ना, infant था. So the elephant calf was too frightened and weak to walk on its own. So Sharat Kumar decided to. The elephant calf was too frightened and weak to walk. चल नहीं सकता था, बहुत कमज़ोर फील कर रहा था. On its own, अपने आप नहीं चल सकता था. So Sharat Kumar decided to carry it into the forest on his shoulders. So that was the act of kindness. How did Sharat Kumar find out that the mother and her calf had united? कैसे पता चला शरद कुमार को कि उसकी मम्मा एलिफेंट और इन्फेंट काफ एलिफेंट मिल चुके हैं, यूनाइट हो गए हैं? When Sharat Kumar went to the water hole a few hours later, it's just later, ना, laters नहीं है, later, the calf wasn't there. The mother and her calf had gone safely into the forest. He heard the mother trumpet and knew that they had been safely reunited. जब उसने शरद कुमार, यहाँ पर ही जो है शरद कुमार के लिए आया है इस सेकेंड सेंटेंस में. शरद कुमार ने जब सुना एक ट्रम्पेट एलिफेंट का, ट्रम्पेट मतलब हाथी की जो आवाज़ होती है ना, ऐसे सूंड ऊपर करके जो आवाज़ करते हैं, उसको ट्रम्पेट कहते हैं. So when he heard the trumpet, he just find out and he just understand that they are reunited. Now moving to the next question. Okay, think and answer. First question is not necessary to do. Second question we have, do you think any elephant apart from mother was anxious about the calf? How do you think so? The other elephant were also concerned because the whole herd could be seen outside the forest, even though only the mother elephant tried to go closer to her calf. So these are the questions you have, children. Now we're moving to the book exercise, and here we go. So we have to just fill the correct word which suits in these sentences. So that man lives on street. He is homeless man. So what are these? These are the just don't beat the puppy. The poor animal is harmless. Some birds have wings but they cannot fly. They were flightless. Those who cannot fly were flightless. Anna keeps losing her pencil. She is careless. Careless होते हैं, ध्यान नहीं रखते अपनी चीज़ों का. Explorers are fearless people. It was a dark, moonless night. So it is page 87. Now moving to the next page. Next we have the exercise adverbs. So what are the adverbs? Adverbs are the words that tell us more about the verb. Okay. And adverbs, adverb में ही verb छुपा हुआ है ना, एक वर्ड. वर्ब क्या होती है? एक्शन वर्ड्स. तो एडवर्ब्स ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो हमें बताते हैं कि वर्ब्स कैसे हो रही है, किस जगह पर हो रही है और किस तरीके से, किस मैनर से हो रही है. सो दे आर जस्ट रेफर टू एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस एंड एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. सो हियर वी हैव underline the adverbs in these sentences. So let us discuss more. The farmer acted. Now what's the verb in this sentence? Acted is the verb ना, act करना एक्शन वर्ड है. द फार्मर एक्टेड, कैसे एक्ट किया? रिस्पॉन्सिबली. तो ये हमें रिस्पॉन्सिबली, ये वर्ड जो है हमें बता रहा है कि वर्ब कैसे हो रही है. तो रिस्पॉन्सिबली इज द एडवर्ब. द बेबी एलिफेंट एट. नाउ एट इज द वर्ब एंड हाउ ही एट? हंग्रीली, बहुत भूखा था, ऐसे भूखा था ना, ऐसे खा रहा था. द काफ रीच इट्स मदर सेफली. रीच इज द वर्ब ओवर हियर. एंड हाउ ही रीच? सेफली. The mother elephant trumpet loudly. How she trumpet? She trumpet. Now next page. Read what Sharat Kumar is saying. Yesterday we found an elephant calf inside a pit and tired, hungry, and it cried sadly. Now yesterday and sadly, these are the adverbs. Yesterday and sadly tell us more about the verbs found and cried. So the word yesterday tell us when and the action happens. कब action हुआ ये बता रहा है, जो verb है वो कब हुई, तो it is an adverb of time. Now the word sadly tells us how the action happens, कि action कैसे हुआ sadly, है ना, दुख के साथ में. So it's an adverb of manner. Now children, I'll just make it to be somewhat how creative. I'll just add colors to them, and we have adverb of time with the orange, adverb of place with blue, and adverb of manner with green. Now you can also use this. So today a farmer saw a cow elephant on the road. Now when he saw? Today. So it's an adverb of time. So I have written T over here. The farmer quickly contacted the forest department. Now contacted, how he contacted? Quick. The forest guard drove fast and reached the spot. How he drove? Drive कैसे कर रहे थे? Fast कर रहे थे. So it's also the adverb of manner. The men found the mother near the river bank. Where they had found? Near. Now it's a adverb of place. So I have written P over there. The calf looked at the men helplessly. Now again it's the okay, the fifth one. The calf looked at the men helplessly. How he looked at the men? Helplessly. So it's an again adverb of manner. Soon Sharat Kumar was carrying the calf. Soon Soon Sharad Kumar was carrying the calf. It's an adverb of time. The forest official waited outside the forest. Now outside is denote place. The words denote the place, na? That's why it's adverb of place. Tomorrow this news will spread in the city. Now it's again tomorrow related to time. So it's adverb of time. Next exercise we have only the fill in the blanks. And I looked everywhere but could. Our cat Kitty went missing one day. I looked everywhere but couldn't find her anywhere. At night, father found her inside the garage. Kittens lay near her. They were mewing softly. Father and I carried the warm milk for the catty, she said protectively, gently, and indoor. Okay. So, turning to the next page, we have again the adverbs, and that we have to just for the adverbs from the adjectives in the brackets to complete the sentences. The calf walked. Careless is given to us, so we have to make it carelessly. And then the forest guard thought quickly. The calf waited heavily. The calf looked at its mother sleepily. And then luckily is the word. Okay. So I think now it's clear. Next exercise we have, what's that? This is just for fun, an activity. Listen to a dialogue between a dog and a wolf, and you have to just complete. I had already done this for you children. Okay. Now last are the words for the wolf here. And now I'll just want you to like the video and learn from it and comment. So like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.